Hello student, today I am going to discuss polygon law vector addition. What is the statement of polygon law vector addition? It states that if a number of vectors can be represented in magnitude and direction by the side of a polygon taken in the same order, then the resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the closing side of the polygon taken in the opposite order. Now you see in the figure, these are four vectors. P, Q, R, S is a vector, are the vectors. So we have to find out resultant of these four vectors by using polygon law of vector addition. So let us draw the diagram. Say this is P vector, AB is the P vector, AB represents P vector, BC represents Q vector. These two vectors act in the same order. Then resultant of vectors P and Q is represented by the closing side of the triangle. So AB, so if you have to make triangle, this is a triangle. The closing side is AC. AC is the closing side. So resultant of P and Q is P plus Q. So we are getting the resultant vector P and Q. Resultant vector P and Q is P plus Q. Now R vector, this is the R vector. Now P plus Q is one vector, R is another vector. The resultant of P plus Q is one vector and R vector is represented by this side. But P plus Q one vector is this order, this same order, the resultant is opposite order. The resultant of vector P plus Q and R vector is P plus Q plus R vector. So now resultant of P, Q, R vector is P plus Q plus R vector, which is denoted by the closing side. Now remaining vector is a S vector. This is S vector. Now P plus Q plus R is one vectors. These three vectors together is one vector, which is denoted by AD. P plus Q plus R, this is the AD vector. Now S is another vector. So resultant of these two vector is the closing side. So you have to draw closing side is AE. So resultant of vector P plus Q plus R and S vector is denoted by the closing side AE, which equal to, we can write T equal to T is a resultant vector P plus Q plus R plus S. The resultant of this vector is R. So now we are getting the resultant of vectors P, Q, R, S, which is denoted by AE, that is P plus Q plus R, S, and this law is called polygon law of vector addition. So according to polygon law vector addition, polygon law of vector addition, the resultant is given by the resultant is given by the closing site A. Again I am telling you, P, Q, R, S, these four vectors represent by the sides of the polygon. This is polygon A, B, C, D, E, A. This is the polygon. So these four vectors P, Q, R, S represent the four sides of the polygon. Okay, then resultant, according to law of polygon law of vector addition, resultant vector is A. Therefore, we can write then A equal to AB plus PC plus CD plus DE. So resultant T equal to T vector equal to P plus Q plus R plus S. So resultant of polygon vector according to polygon law of vector addition. So T equal to P plus Q plus R plus S. Thank you.